हेलो एंड वेलकम टू जर्नी ऑफ जॉय विद अंजलि वर्मा। आजकल की दुनिया में हम कॉस्मेटिक्स की बहुत सारी बातें करते हैं, चाहे वो मेन हो चाहे वो विमेन हो। अगर हमें पिंपल आ गए हैं, अगर हमें लिप कलर कराना है या फिर हेयर लॉस हो रहा है, तो वी आर वेरी मच वरीड एंड वी डेफिनेटली लुक एट अ डॉक्टर और एन एस्थेटिशियन who actually works on all of these solutions. I have somebody here who is very much experienced into this field. She is a clinical aesthetician and a clinical cosmetologist. Her name is Astha Nihal Gaikwad. Hi Astha.
Hi Anjali,
How have you been?
I have been good. Thank you for this lovely introduction. I totally
Thank
loved
you.
it.
Thank you so much and thanks for coming here.
I'm
मेरे को वैसे भी
totally
बहुत सारी बातें करनी थी.
obliged to be here to talk to you, and it is great.
थैंक यू सो मच। वैसे भी मुझे इस टॉपिक पे बहुत सारी बातें करनी थी, क्योंकि पहले तो आपको मुझे बताना है कि मेरी स्किन और मेरी हेयर कैसी आपको दिख रही है। ऑफ कोर्स मेकअप है, बट फिर भी आप बता सकते
I
हैं।
think it's fabulous. I
आई
totally
डोंट
love
नीड अ डॉक्टर।
you. I would say everybody needs a doctor. We'll
Yeah,
come to
yeah.
that later. Even I need a doctor.
Right, but then
yes,
still.
it is overall. It's very good. It's
Thank you.
glowing. It's amazing.
थैंक यू
Looks
सो
like
मच।
you take good care of your hair and skin.
Definitely. I mean, you know that I have a lifestyle
Yeah.
which I follow, and I'm very much disciplined towards it. तो मेरे लिए ऐसा
Absolutely.
है कि उसकी वजह से ये सब चीज़ों का ध्यान रखा जाता है।
And I think in today's world, everybody should.
एवरीबडी शुड।
is- it
वही
is
मैं
really
यही
important.
चीज़ मैं अभी इससे पहले एक्सप्लेन कर रही थी
Correct.
कि आजकल की दुनिया में मेन हो विमेन हो, दोनों को ही इन चीज़ों की बहुत ज़रूरत है।
Absolutely, it is such an important thing.
Yeah, so would you like to tell to our audience about yourself and what you're
Of
into
course,
and
I
what
would
it is?
love to. So basically, Anjali, since childhood, since I was a little girl, I was always fascinated with fashion, beauty. Growing up, I used to, always think like I want to do something around this field only.
Fashion or
Beauty
beauty,
and
okay.
grooming and all of these things.
Alright.
So, like you know about me, my older sister, she's a doctor.
Right.
And I wanted to do something that would go hand in hand with her because I love working with her. We have a great bond. So I have a knowledge and degree in fashion as well, styling, and I did a master's in business as well.
Oh,
A little knowledge to know about how to actually run a business. That is so
Okay.
important.
Alright.
And then I did my 3 levels in American board. So the first 2 levels were in New York. And then the third level, I went to Dubai and I did it. And now I also have a KHDHA approved license to work in Dubai. So that's how the journey started. And now here I am. I have my own practice and I'm very happy with it.
ओके तो आज जब मैंने अभी इससे पहले जब मैं इंट्रोड्यूस कर रही थी तो मैंने कहा कि विमेन और मेन
Yeah.
दोनों ही आजकल उन दोनों को ही बहुत ज़रूरत है।
Correct.
कॉस्मेटिक आप सर्जरी बोलो या फिर अगर कोई भी करेक्शन करना है तो दे
Correct.
आर वेरी मच इनटू इट। व्हाट इज़
Correct.
योर टेक व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट मेन?
So basically,
पेशेंट्स तो आते होंगे आपके पास
yes,
मेन भी।
absolutely. So I would like to, begin to tell you this fact that when people come to me, एक stereotype mentality होती है कि, grooming is only feminine.
हाँ,
And,
ये कहा जाता है कि
yeah,
ग्रूमिंग वर्ड तो सिर्फ औरतों के लिए
feminine
बना हुआ
है,
है।
like
बिल्कुल।
facials करवाने हो या फिर कोई
हाँ।
procedures करवाने हो या कोई peel करवाना हो. So people think that it's only limited till women, but that's not true. Men are becoming more aware about it as they should be.
वेस्टर्न कल्चर आ रहे हैं
Yes,
है ना।
I would like to say वो traditional stereotypical mentality is going down and it's going away, and
Right.
I think this should be happening. I feel that in today's generation, self-love and self-care is a statement of self-respect. This is what you should be doing for yourself.
Right.
Getting time out for yourself, investing in yourself. I think that is the best investment you are going to make. And as we are moving to 2025, things are obviously changing. So when men come to me, they are more open about, okay, I want to get a treatment done. Could you educate me more? And men are becoming more aware because of various things, I could say, social media awareness. Then there is, things like, social presence उनको बढ़ाना होता है और workplace के expectations होते हैं कुछ. So according to that, I think in today's day, everybody wants to look good,
Yeah,
carry
yeah, of
themselves
course.
well.
I think men are very much into it
It
now.
is just like जितने women patients हैं उतने
उतने
men
men
भी
भी
आते
हैं,
हैं.
हाँ.
So I think it's absolutely
क्या
great.
चीज़ें कवर करते हो आप? What do you do
So
basically?
at my clinic, we are known as Care Skin Clinic.
Okay.
We are based in Salunki Vihar, and me and my sister we together. So we have various kinds of treatments. And basically, me as a clinical aesthetician, I practice all non-invasive treatments, and she takes care of all the invasive treatments. So I perform treatments like various facials that are vampire facials, hydra facials, paprika
कि
facial.
vampire fish.
Yes,
Okay.
I will get to that. Then there are other
Right.
treatments like BB glow, Korean glass skin, and chemical peels होते हैं बहुत सारे. Then women want to get their eyebrows done these days.
Yeah, microblading.
Microblading.
Right.
Then there are micro needling. Then there are MNRF, lip pigmentation and lip correction, lip color correction. So
जी.
all are these treatments that I do. And like you asked me about vampire facial.
Yeah, yeah.
So basically, vampire facial, actually Hydra and vampire have boomed the industry. It is
Okay.
all over the industry. People are like, whenever I also get inquiry calls, they are all asking me about, ma'am, ये क्या है? Or, can you educate us about this?
हाँ, मतलब how different it is from the other facial. Vampire तो सुन के मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है
Correct.
कुछ
No,
vampire
actually,
type की चीज़.
yeah, basically, what happens in vampire facial is a little bit of blood is drawn from your
अच्छा.
body.
Okay.
And then we put it in a centrifugal machine. Then the plasma from the blood is separated, and then we infuse it in your skin. So the result of this is instant boost of collagen on your face. And when collagen is boosted on your face, you're going to look way more younger. The wrinkles are going to go. You're going to have a very nice, bright, shining, very plump, or you can call a fluffy skin, like a baby
Right.
skin.
Okay.
And जब ये नाम I think ये ऐसा आया है because there's a lot of redness that happens on your face. It has I think 3 days का downtime होता है. तो वो redness की वजह से probably people just came up with a very creative name कि
Okay.
मुंह पे ऐसा पूरा blood है, so you look like a vampire.
Okay. Alright. तो अभी आपने एक चीज़ बोली जो lip color correction.
Correct.
And then you spoke about this vampire facial where
Yeah.
inject करते हैं और blood यहाँ पे डालते हैं cheeks में.
Yeah.
बहुत लोग इसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे.
Correct.
मतलब ये ऐसी चीज़ है जो एक्सेप्टेड नहीं है.
Yeah.
इट इज़ स्टिल न्यू फॉर द
Yeah.
सोसाइटी. लोगों को ये भी लगता है कि कहीं कैंसर ना हो जाए.
Correct.
यू नो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ सीन्स विच इज़ बिहाइंड
Yeah.
इट. लोगों को लगता है कि यार हमें कोई बीमारी ना हो जाए और ये सब फेक चीज़ें क्यों करनी है ना.
Absolutely.
तो ये तो अलग टॉपिक ही हो गए. विल
Yeah.
डेफिनेटली डिस्कस अबाउट इट. लेकिन ये जो कॉर्नर है जहाँ पे लोग ये सोचते हैं कि कैंसर हो सकता है, कोई बीमारी हो सकती है या कुछ हो सकता है इन चीज़ों से, क्योंकि ये सब आर्टिफिशियली इंजेक्टेड चीज़ें हैं. तो do you want to educate us on that as well?
Absolutely. So basically, there's a lot of misconception and myths when it comes to cosmetology and plastic surgery, I would say.
अच्छा.
So since I am into cosmetology, these treatments are done superficially. Okay, like I say, it's non-invasive. Superficially on the upper layer of skin. They are much more smoother, and the result that we get is also very quick. But the misconception and myth people have कि नहीं ये करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा, we'll get cancer or we'll get that. So before doing any kind of treatment, we call the patients in. We try to give them a proper guideline and knowledge about it. And these are just myths. Like I said, there is proper care taken. If you go to do any kind of treatment, there are proper healthcare measures taken. Even before doing any kind of procedure, we would first do your tests and see if you are like
Eligible for it. Yeah,
it or not. ऐसे ही नहीं कि
कि
like
करना है,
तो बस like
कि money
करना
minding
है.
business
No,
है और
exactly.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
My basic motto of working is I feel that I should be connected to my patient. There is some work ethics that you need to have. You have to have a heart to do the treatment.
Right.
So it's just not कि करना है तो करना है, but yeah, we do educate people on what we are going to be doing, what is the procedure, इसका आफ्टर केयर क्या होगा, या इसकी वजह से आपको प्रॉब्ली रेडनेस होगा 2-3 दिन, या वॉट एवर इट इज.
तो बहुत बड़े इसके प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट नहीं होते
नहीं,
अगर कोई ट्रीटमेंट
absolutely
करे
not.
तो.
Like I said, it's just a myth, you know.
Right.
And like they say, half knowledge is dangerous.
Right.
So people need to know more about it. And you know, I'm very open to giving consultation to patients. So when they come, I would like to tell them कि नहीं ये ऐसा है वैसा है. It is, I'm happy to answer कि okay तुम्हारा ये question है. I'm sure any human, when we go for any kind of surgery or treatment, we would have that question कि क्या होने वाला है, you know,
बिल्कुल.
what is going to happen, is this safe or is it not safe. So with the proper guidance, I think it is absolutely safe.
Right.
Yeah.
ओके सो इस टॉपिक से मुझे ध्यान आया दैट ऑल दीज थिंग्स ऑफ कोर्स रिलेट्स टू अ बिग कॉस्ट.
Yes.
तो फिर तो ये सिर्फ एलीट क्लास या फिर जो लोग थोड़े से हायर लेवल पे
Yeah.
बैठते हैं इनकम साइड पे, सिर्फ वही लोग इन ट्रीटमेंट्स को करा सकते हैं, ना कि जो नॉर्मल कॉर्पोरेट के एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं या फिर आईटी गोइंग पीपल हैं. आई एम श्योर दे कैन नॉट अफोर्ड सच काइंड ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट्स बिकॉज आई फील दैट दीज काइंड ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट्स आर डेफिनेटली वे लॉन्ग एंड इनको मेंटेनेंस भी लगता होगा.
So, see, I would like to tell you one thing कि with these treatments, yes, maintenance लगता है. I am not going to lie. I am not going to come here, sit here and say नहीं एक procedure करवा दो and then you are going to get result. That is not going to happen. You do need maintenance time to time. It is basically, I would like to put it in easy words. जैसे हम कार लेते हैं and then time we need to get the maintenance of the car done, fuel check करवाना होता है, ये करवाना होता है. आज के busy life में ना हम treatment कराते हैं, everybody is working, okay, basically let's come to that, let's break it into basics. Everybody is busy, everybody is working, people are going out, there are a lot of factors that affect the skin, that is environment, water, your lifestyle and other things that you consume, okay. तो इन फैक्टर्स की वजह से अभी सपोजिंगली इफ़ आई डू अ ट्रीटमेंट फॉर यू, ओके, फर्स्ट सेशन, आप फिर भी बाहर तो जाओगे, हम आपको आफ्टर केयर देंगे, वो भी आप करोगे, बट टाइम एंड अगेन यू नीड टू कम एंड टेक केयर ऑफ योर स्किन, एंड आई थिंक कि मेंटेनिंग स्किन एंड मेंटेनेंस ऑफ स्किन इज, I would just say, it is, like I said, it is self-care. It is supposed to be a statement. It's sign of self-respect. And yes, some treatments, depends on what treatment are you opting for. The prices and the charges vary from the treatment to treatment that you are opting for. And basically,
but it is affordable.
it is very much affordable if you
Okay.
go to see. And हमारे इसमें क्या हो रहा है, like with growing economy ना, I think people are preferring a luxury lifestyle.
Right.
And it's not even about luxury. I think everybody wants to take care of themselves and they are ready to put that, that kind of amount for maintaining their health or skin or hair, whatever it takes.
Okay. All right. So I also want to know about glutathione. आजकल बहुत इन है,
Yes.
बहुत फैशन है इसका.
Correct.
मैंने सुना है इसको मतलब इंजेक्ट करते ही इंसान फेयर हो जाता है.
Correct.
So would you like to talk about that also?
Okay, so I will explain you short and sweet, okay, about
Okay.
glutathione. Glutathione, again, you see these Instagram reels and this and that, all these celebrities and
Bilkul.
influencers coming up and saying it's very dangerous, you cannot take it, and then there are supplementary glutathione pills. So basically क्या होता है, when you consume the tablets, you get the result. I'm not going to lie. You do get the result, but it is a little longer.
Achha.
Like you might have to wait for around about 3 to 6 months to see a little bit of result.
Right.
With glutathione, when you inject it, the result is faster. Okay. And it should be done properly. With that, there are other things. I'm not going to get into a lot of medical terms because people are not going to be able to understand it. But doing a glutathione IV, the drip that they put, it is completely safe and there is no side effects or reactions
तो
to
ये
it.
सच में फेयरनेस होती है
It
इसमें?
does, it does.
कितने दिनों के बाद ये दिखता है?
You will need sessions for it.
Alright.
Okay, and it starts from the first session itself. You'll start to notice a little change, but then you have to keep taking the sessions, and you have to keep
Maintaining it.
Yes, maintaining it. You have to be consistent. Otherwise, the result of it is jahan se you've picked up, it's going to go and wait there. So once you do it, you need to take it up more higher and get to a goal where you need to achieve that. Okay, I am happy with this result now. I am okay to stop.
So what it is which makes you fair? It is the melanin thing which you
Yes,
actually get
it
reduced in the.
it actually goes directly in your bloodstreams.
अच्छा अच्छा.
Okay, and then it kind of gives you glow from within inside. And it is very helpful with the IV drip, I would say, rather than the tablets. Tablets का जैसे मैंने बोला टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, ये डायरेक्टली ब्लड स्ट्रीम्स में जाता है, तो इसका इफेक्ट ज़्यादा फास्टर होता है.
Okay, so anybody can take gluta.
Anybody and everybody could take gluta.
Okay,
But
so
again,
it takes care only of the fairness side of the skin, or it takes care of
no,
something else as well?
With gluta, there are other things that are infused that are vitamins, multivitamins and vitamin
Okay,
C's. So when you, as we all know, vitamin C is very good for skin brightening and looks and brighter reflection of your skin, and it makes your skin much more smoother. We also consume a lot of vitamin C in our diets. But going to see with multivitamins, this is something which we all need in our daily lives.
Right.
क्योंकि हमारा diet, the food we consume does not give us, optimal effect of vitamins that we need to have. अभी vitamin जब multivitamins की बात करते हैं, ये ग्लूटा के साथ इन्फ्यूज़ करके हम जब ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं, so it is overall benefit for your body. So I think it is a great deal to get gluta. Anybody and everybody could do it. It's completely safe. And doctors do educate you on this कि क्या होता है, क्या नहीं होता है. Same way, like when you come in for a consultation, somebody wants to know about gluta. It's a proper procedure we do for it. Everything. Your history is going to be checked. Your medical past is going to be checked. And then we suggest our patients. We just don't push them in. Okay, ये चल रहा है तो आप ये ले लो, that sort of a thing.
Right. कभी ऐसा भी होता है, like you said, कि vitamin C उसमें induced रहता है और वो आप IV के through देते हो. Plus there must be, I think, B12 as well.
Yes,
That's what I have
B12.
read somewhere.
Yes.
And there would be some other perspectives also. But ऐसा भी होता है कि body में अगर आप वो IV के through डालते हो, तो वो प्रॉपर्टी लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल विटामिन सी हो गई या पोटेशियम हो गया या फिर आयरन हो गया, वो बॉडी में बढ़ भी जाता है एट सर्टेन लेवल, है ना. हो सकता है वो डबल भी हो जाए.
करेक्ट.
आफ्टर यू से ऑल दिस, मेरे को ध्यान में आया कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है.
Yes, correct.
क्योंकि आप जब इसको अलग से एक आर्टिफिशियली कोई चीज़ दे रहे हो, तो उसका इफेक्ट, और आपको कैसे समझ में आएगा दैट एंड द पर्सन कैन नॉट डू इट एवरी टाइम सीइंग कि भाई वो बड़ा हो रहा है, छोटा हो रहा है, बढ़ रहा है, घट रहा है, क्या हो रहा है.
So it's actually a very good question, like लोगों
और
के
इसके डिसएडवांटेजेस क्या है?
Yeah.
अगर मेरे बॉडी में समझो हमने ग्लूटा करा लिया और हमने बोला कि पापा हमारा पोटेशियम, आयरन या विटामिन सी या D12 या व्हाटएवर इट इज वो बढ़ गया है, वो कैसे समझेगा? क्या उसके कोई साइड इफेक्ट्स हैं?
या बेसिकली वेरी मिनिमल साइड इफेक्ट्स होते हैं. आई विल कम टू साइड इफेक्ट्स पार्ट लेटर. बट हाउ डू वी नो कि ज़्यादा तो नहीं हो गया और कम तो नहीं हो गया विटामिन लेवल्स? सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग एनी ग्लूटा ट्रीटमेंट, एंड आई वुड लाइक टू से दिस, बिफोर स्टार्टिंग एनी ट्रीटमेंट, a good aesthetician, a good doctor would always get all your vitamin result checks done. So when you do a blood test and come to us, we will always suggest you to get a blood test done and then come to us. तो we know कि आपके vitamin levels क्या है, आपके body के results क्या है, accordingly how much we need to infuse this, and we have to, if you go to see your B12 is completely fine and you need vitamin C or you need D3, vitamin D3 in your body, तो ये टेस्ट कराने के बाद हमारे पास एक रिपोर्ट रहती है, चेक रहती है. सो बेसिस ऑन दैट we give you the dosage, we make a customizable pack कि इसका ये ज़्यादा necessary है, इससे ये ज़्यादा necessary है, so that way, so the chances of extra हो गया is very minimum and rare. But
और अगर हो भी गया एक्स्ट्रा,
so there are medicines that you can always take. The doctors will always suggest you to take it down again. And रही बात about you asked me about, I forgot.
बढ़ जाता है ना, तो
after
फिर
that you
आप
said
उसको कैसे
something.
हटा रहे हो, इसके डिसएडवांटेजेस क्या
Disadvantages, let me
हैं?
come
वैसे
to
तो मैंने
that.
सुना है कि वो फ्लश आउट हो जाता है.
Yeah. So yeah, through sweat, through your urine, it's going to get out. It's going to be flushed out of your body. It doesn't stay. It does its work and then it is flushed out of the body. Disadvantages are sometimes it's basically on the product that we are infusing.
अच्छा, इसमें कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स भी होते
Yes,
हैं?
absolutely. इसमें brands होते हैं.
अच्छा?
It is very important. I would like to talk about this. The kind of products you use, the kind of brands you use should be very much certified and medicated.
तो आप ये कह रहे हो कि इसमें भी झोल है?
Absolutely, I would say.
अच्छा.
So, disadvantages क्या हो सकता है प्रोडक्ट की वजह से? If a bad quality of product is used and your body is unable to take it, कोई भी नया substance body को accept करने में time लगता है. And if you're not going to use a good product and you're going to act stingy there, cutting the cost on your product, definitely it's going to give some kind of rash. So you should be very very careful on the kind of products you're using.
ये बहुत बार सुनते हैं कि ये फेक चीज़ें क्यों करा रहे हैं, ये सब तो आर्टिफिशियली इंजेक्टेड चीज़ें हैं, और पहले ज़माने में तो लोग कराते तो भी खूबसूरत हुआ करते थे.
Correct.
आज के ज़माने में लोग करा के भी नहीं खूबसूरत दिखते, बिकॉज समटाइम्स द डॉक्टर और मे बी द कॉस्मेटोलॉजिस्ट या एस्थेटिशियन वो गड़बड़ी भी करते थे. दे डोंट हैव दोज हैंड्स टू डू इट परफेक्ट. हाउ टू डील विद दैट?
So see, basically like you asked me, like you were saying कि पहले के ज़माने में लोग ना करा के भी खूबसूरत थे. Yes, absolutely. But if you go to see back in then ना सारी चीज़ें अलग थी. There used to be patterns for everything. आज हमें ज़रूरत है ये treatments कराने की. It's because we've landed to a place where taking care of our skin and maintaining our skin and getting the help of these procedures is so important. If you go to see your generations back, your grandparents or great grandparents, if you've seen their diet and if you've seen the kind of food they
बहुत
had,
प्योर था.
yes,
बहुत प्योर
everything,
था.
in today's generation and today's world, I would say sabziyan bhi, there have been
Artificially created
artificial vegetables in the market. So how do you even trust even the milk?
तो आप कह रहे हो
Milk you're
इसीलिए आजकल
consuming.
कैंसर्स और ये सारी चीज़ें.
Absolutely,
पर मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये तो ठीक ही है, लेकिन ये आर्टिफिशियली भी इतनी सारी चीज़, भले इन चीज़ों से कुछ नहीं होता होगा, बट
Correct.
इतनी सारी चीज़ें आ चुकी हैं. आप I'll tell you आस्था, मे बी आई डेफिनेटली ट्रस्ट यू, एंड आपके जैसे और भी डॉक्टर्स होंगे, एस्थेटिशियन होंगे जो बेस्ट से बेस्ट सर्विसेज देते होंगे, बट ऐसे भी बहुत सारे लोग हैं, ऐसे बहुत सारे सर्जन्स हैं, बहुत सारे ऐसे डॉक्टर्स हैं, कॉस्मेटोलॉजिस्ट हैं जो सही चीज़ें नहीं देते. जैसे आपने थोड़ी देर पहले बोला दैट देर आर डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स फॉर इट, है ना. तो किसी का कोई साइड इफेक्ट्स भी हो सकता है जो उस टाइम पे उस पेशेंट को पता ना हो, उस डॉक्टर को ना पता हो.
करेक्ट.
आपने बोला कि स्टिंजी नहीं होना है उस टाइम पे व्हेन you are actually taking these treatments because you have to take care of your body as well.
Absolutely, it is so important. I would like to say कि जैसे मैंने पहले भी mention किया था कि work ethics होते हैं कुछ. If you are going to be commercial, extremely commercial while doing the treatments, and you're not going to take a look left and right about your patients, and your only job is to mint money, and you just want to make money, at that bargain you are going to get to a point where you are not going to be having the same patient coming again, or probably harm the patient in some or the other way.
Yeah, especially अगर आप पूना बोलो तो पूना is a very small place.
I would like to tell everybody who's listening this, do your research well before going to any kind of doctor.
Yeah.
It is so important to know about your doctor or your aesthetician. Various things are related to this, and like you said कि कराना क्यों है, like why
हाँ,
why
लोग कहते हैं ना इतना
yeah,
आर्टिफिशियल क्यों दिखना, अच्छा ये खूबसूरत दिख रही है, अच्छा ये तो सब आर्टिफिशियल है,
Correct.
अच्छा इसने मेकअप लगाया, अच्छा ये सब तो आर्टिफिशियल है.
but we have landed to this judgmental world. I think probably we are stuck, you know, we are stuck between the older generation does not understand the need and necessity to do this because उनके time पे सब कुछ pure था, everything was nice and everything was perfect. And the younger generation is not happy with themselves, you know, the way they look. They want to be at their, you know, peak and in their best skin and everything. So I think it's just a generational difference, I could say, कि we are stuck between that कि क्यों कराना है and नहीं कराना है and कराना है. But I would just say, like, if you feel like maintaining your skin, if you feel like doing it, if you feel that okay, I don't like this in a certain way, I want to change it, you should just go for it.
आपको पता है ये एक सर्कल है,
Yes.
बहुत ही बड़ा मतलब मैं बोलूँगी विशियस सर्कल है जहाँ पे
Yeah.
लोग ये सोचते हैं कि आज मेरी आंखें अच्छी नहीं लग रही हैं तो
Yeah.
मैं ये कर लेती हूँ, आज मेरी नाक टेढ़ी लग रही है तो मैं ये कर लेती हूँ,
Correct.
आज मेरे लिप्स में कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो मैं ये कर लेती हूँ. सो वंस यू स्टार्ट डूइंग इट, बिकॉज आई हैव हर्ड इट फ्रॉम
Yeah.
one of my friends only, that she started doing something and then she landed up doing something else,
Yeah.
where she has spent a lot of money into it.
Correct.
And of course she has landed up getting good results, but still it is a thing where people land up getting and
Correct.
spending out lot of money behind it. आज उनको लगता है ये परफेक्ट नहीं है, कल लगता है वो परफेक्ट नहीं है, आज बाल करा लो, ये करा, कितना मेंटेन करेंगे लोग,
That is true.
कैसे करेंगे ये
See,
सब हैंडल.
I would like to tell you this, that this is an addiction, you know.
एडिक्शन है ये,
Like,
वही
once
तो
you
मैंने
start
बोला.
doing it, you are like, क्या होता है, first इसमें you like the result, then you are like, oh, I want to get more.
Yeah.
But again, this is a mentality set. Why? Because everybody wants to do better than the other person, you know. मुझे सबसे अच्छा दिखना है. I want to be at the top.
अभी
I
आपने
want
जब
to be
ग्लूटा
at
की
the
बात
best.
की, आपने बोला एक सर्टेन स्टेज तक आप अच्छे दिख, किसी को दिखना है बिल्कुल एकदम डल स्किन है और उसको एकदम दिखना है एकदम मार्बल की तरह फेयर, कल को उसने बहुत सारा ग्लूटा ले लिया है.
Correct.
है ना, people land up
Yes,
getting into all
that is
this
that.
also.
Again, then that is about self-love, you know. I would.
But I'm sure
Yeah.
कि बॉडी भी एक टाइम तक उसको रेजिस्ट कर
resist
सकती
कर
है,
सकती
तो
है.
उस
Too
हिसाब
much of
से
anything is bad.
is bad.
Too much of anything is bad, you know. Even when you go to doctors, they will tell you after a certain point that you need to stop, you need to draw a line here. This is too much. Like your body is not going to take it. But then उनका कैसे होता है, you know, such people want to go overboard and get things done. Like too much of anything is bad. You are going to have to, you know, face consequences of
So
it.
listen to your doctor.
Yes, listen to your doctor. Do everything in line, you know. Keep a check on what should be done, what is not good, what is good. Listen to your doctor.
ओके, सो माइक्रो ब्लेडिंग आपने स्टार्टिंग
Correct.
में एक चीज़ बोली जो दैट्स यू नो यू आर इनटू माइक्रो ब्लेडिंग एंड देन लिप करेक्शन एंड ऑफ कोर्स इनटू लिप कलरिंग एज वेल.
Yes.
तो ये माइक्रो ब्लेडिंग जो चीज़ है ये परमानेंट है या फिर इसमें भी कोई मेंटेनेंस है या हाउ व्हाट इट इज़, क्या है ये?
So microblading basically दो चीज़ों का होता है. One is eyebrow, one is for your skin, and one is for your lip. Okay, इसमें there are different categories. So the one that is done for your face, you know, people want to get semi-permanent makeup look. This is something booming in the market. You know, when you get out of the house, you don't need the, you know, need to put makeup. Your face is already done in that way that there is a bit of natural makeup, you know, to go out, and you can just get out of the house. That's called BB glow treatment. Okay. And semi-permanent makeup में eyebrows आते हैं, like, you know, the microblading of brows that are done, various sorts of styles and trends to that as well, and lips. लिप में बेसिकली पिगमेंट्स हम डाल के करेक्शन करते हैं, यू नो. देयर इज अ कलर व्हील यूज्ड फॉर इट. वी डू द करेक्शन एंड वी डू द टिंटिंग, यू नो. इफ सर्टेन कलर दैट यू वांट, लाइक यू लाइक योर लिप्स न्यूड, you come up to me and you be like मुझे nude color कराना है, so we go for that.
पर वो मेंटेनेंस है.
Yes, but the result stays up to 3 to 4 months if done properly.
Okay.
Yeah, and then after
What
that,
is the approx cost of it?
basically I'll tell you, such kind of treatment starts from 7,000 rupees.
Okay, and that goes
Minimal-
for 3
goes-
months.
for 3 months.
Okay.
and
That again depends
probably
upon
more.
body to body,
Body
कितना वो
to
resist
body,
करता है.
also the kind of product you're using and how much product is needed.
अच्छा.
I am saying 7,000 is the approximate price. The price might differ from people to people. The usage of needles is different. The usage of color pigments is different. But I think it is around that price.
ओके ऑलराइट सो माइक्रोब्लेडिंग ये लिप करेक्शन हर एक चीज़ का एक मेंटेनेंस है सर्टेन लेवल पे कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जो आप करते हो और वो परमानेंट रिजल्ट्स देती है एनी ऑफ योर ट्रीटमेंट विच गोज फॉर अ परमानेंट थिंग
I would like to say that if you start doing these treatments, yes, the result is going to be permanent, but बीच में आके you just have to come and maintain it. Like if I'm going to make a plan for my patient, supposingly a patient is coming to me in my clinic and is going to be like, okay, I need a budget plan. I would like to take 6 sessions of a treatment, which is ideal. You need to do it. And then later on, I can come and maintain it. So we are going to give a budget cost cutting treatment for the patient. 6 sessions karane ke baad, after that you can come down after 3 months or you can just come down in a month. तो जब से रिपेयर चालू हो गया है स्किन का एंड यू आर टेकिंग गुड केयर ऑफ इट तो बाद में उतनी जरूरत नहीं होती है ट्रीटमेंट कराने
फिर
की
हल्का
हल्का
okay.
या
Alright.
बिकॉज यू हैव वर्कड ऑन द मेजर पार्ट ऑफ curing the damage that is done
स्टार्टिंग में
and then you are just in the healing process and after that you are just maintaining it like it's a touch up that you need to do here and there.
ओके नाउ माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये मेरे दिमाग में सवाल एक और आया है कि आपने बोला यू नो लिप्स का कलर चेंज कर सकते हैं हम बालों में कैरेटिन और नैनोप्लास्टिया जैसे ट्रीटमेंट्स भी करते हैं फिर सम पीपल दे गेट देयर नेल्स डन सम पीपल सम विमेन दे गेट देयर ब्राउज डन सम विमेन दे गेट देयर लैशेस डन कितना मेंटेन करेंगे महीने भर में
That is true.
क्या करें कैसे करें मैनेज आई मीन दैट्स टू मच ऑफ मेंटेनेंस राइट देन यू हैव टू डू योर लेजर्स एज वेल राइट लेजर का भी एक मेंटेनेंस होता है आई एम श्योर आप आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दैट एज वेल विल कम ऑन दैट टॉपिक सो मेरे को कहीं ना कहीं ये लगता है यार मतलब विमेन एक फीमेल ने इनफैक्ट मेन ने भी कितना इंसान मेंटेन क्या पार्लर और सैलॉन या फिर क्लिनिक्स में ही बैठे रहे या फिर अपने भी काम करें
Correct.
तो मतलब how to tackle all this
You know, to be very honest, if you go to think financially, these treatments like we spoke about it before could be a bit on the expensive side or for any kind of person to get these treatments again and again is impossible. That is where this comes in role again. Go to a proper doctor or a aesthetician or a clinic who's going to offer you the budget treatments that you can spend on, you can afford on, a good, budgeted products, good kind of, education that you need to have on your treatment plan. Go to doctors like that, go to aestheticians like that, go to cosmetologists like that. They are going to help you. And again, I say that don't exceed, you don't need to get everything done at a time. You can have a treatment plan ki, okay, this month I'm getting this done, next month I could get this done. Such kind of plans are also available. And yes, budget treatments are available. So I think with everything around, it is pretty much affordable for all of us to get these kind of treatments done.
Okay, so आप क्लाइंट सर्विंग इंडस्ट्री में हो राइट देयर मस्ट बी अब हम सभी परफेक्ट नहीं होते हैं राइट आप भी जो रिजल्ट पेशेंट को बताते हो दैट दिस वुड बी द रिजल्ट विच यू विल गेट बट समटाइम्स इट हैपेंस कि उसकी बॉडी सपोर्ट नहीं कर रही है
करेक्ट
है ना एंड यू लैंड अप नॉट गेटिंग दैट काइंड ऑफ रिजल्ट ऑन द पेशेंट तब तो वो बैकफायर होता होगा हाउ डू यू हैंडल दैट सिचुएशन
this is
कब हुआ भी होगा आई एम श्योर अबाउट
this
दिस
is such an important thing in any kind of field you're going to face challenges
yeah
it is so hard it is not easy to work around any kind of field but and client expectation is one of the major challenges that
because
everybody
that is going to take you
especially
long.
In this industry or maybe in any other kind of beauty industry client expectation is like okay people come in with a thinking कि today आज मैं ये treatment करा रही हूँ
और मैं ऐसी दिखने वाली हूँ.
I am going to change my face completely and I am going home from here.
Right.
But yeah, people need to understand that it is not a one day thing, you know, it is not a one day job. When I talk about plastic surgery, yes, you know, plastic surgery, we'll come back to plastic surgery and, you know, cosmetology का difference क्या है. लोगों ने ये पहले जान लिया ना, तो it is much more easier for them to understand, okay. And client expectations को fulfill करने के लिए, like, you know, we have to make sure that we are keeping that kind of a healthy relation with them. Okay, we have to give them counseling on understanding, okay, today we are doing your treatment. This is going to have some kind of, a lot of people do have side effects of some things done if it's not done properly or some product is not, you know, received by the body properly. But again, for that we take all measures, you know, there are medicines that we keep ready ki in case ye hota hai, 3 days ka after a treatment, 3 days ka, you know, we are in touch, you know, the team and the receptionists and all the other people in the clinic are contacting the patient. How are you doing? Can we get a recent picture of yours? Are you having side effects? So, you know, patient to doctor or patient to your aesthetician kind of relation, if you build that, I'm sure any kind of person is going to understand, okay, मुझे अच्छे से समझाया गया है कि
आपकी
ये हो
इंडस्ट्री में तो
सकता
ज़्यादा
है.
ही कॉन्शियस रहना
Yes,
पड़ता है
because yeah, there can be some
it is about
reactives. Yeah,
appearance.
everything is not perfect, you know.
Right.
Sometimes the treatment could go the other way around क्योंकि बहुत लोग medical history भी छुपाते हैं and
Then
I don't
later
know,
you
yeah,
get to know about
later
it.
we get to know
How
about
do you
it.
handle this situation? That was the major question, but
It is very difficult, to be very
Yeah, I'm
honest.
sure.
It is very difficult, but I think when you walk through it, every day is a new experience. Every patient is a new experience. As you walk through it, you get stronger, better, and you know, you are much more capable to face the situation. Okay, this is going to happen. I'm going to keep myself ready for it. Because yeah, patient history is a major thing. अगर आप आपके डॉक्टर को, एस्थेटिशियन को, कॉस्मेटोलॉजिस्ट को आप आपकी ट्रूथफुल हिस्ट्री नहीं बताओगे, how, like, if you are consuming some medicines and you're not telling the doctor about it and some medicines are given to you, it could be a clash of medicines. So people do need to understand, be honest, have an, you know, open mind when you go to do such kind of treatments, have an open head when you are talking to your doctor. Don't have any kind of, you know, mental blockages. मैं ये बता दूंगा या मैं ये बता दूंगी तो, you know, I'm going to be judged. No, doctors are not here to judge you. They are here to help you out. So this is very important.
So you want to talk about the difference between plastic surgery and the
Yes, absolutely.
cosmetics?
Yeah. So there is a lot of, again, I would say, confusion and a lot of questions arise. You know, people think कि cosmetology is, अरे नहीं ये तो surgery कराएंगे, अरे नहीं, you know, plastic surgery होगी. So there's a huge difference between cosmetology and plastic surgery in terms of procedures and the goals to be achieved.
Yeah, I mean,
Okay?
it's simple, right?
Yeah.
That it is surgical and the other one is non-surgical.
Non-surgical, exactly. Like when we talk about invasive and non-invasive.
Okay.
So
That
this
covers
is the,
this.
That
Okay.
covers this. This is the same thing. Invasive treatments are something that needs an incision or a cut or something like an injection to get inside your body. Okay. The result of this can be permanent, but also can be risky because it's a surgery that you're going to, you know, go through.
Yeah.
And the downtime, the healing time, the recovery time for this kind of a surgery is much more longer. The precautions that you have to take is much more longer. Wherein cosmetology works around the area of beauty, you know, the surface area is covered, you know, enhancing treatments. Whereas in plastic surgery, I would say body deformatives होते हैं या correction of some body part. That is done in plastic surgery. In cosmetology, it is more of we are working on the superficial layer of the skin. It is not painful. The downtime is very less. It you know, the recovery, the healing of after the procedure could take a day or two, sometimes 2 hours to 3 hours, depending on patients. So this is like one big you know, difference between invasive, non-invasive, and you know, what you could say as plastic surgery and cosmetology.
चलो इससे एक और क्वेश्चन मुझे याद आता है दैट वंस यू डू द ट्रीटमेंट,
Yeah.
let's say for example if you're doing a microblading, you're doing
Yeah.
the lip color or you're doing a therapy whatever, can you reverse अगर कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया तो?
Absolutely. The treatment is absolutely reversible. So basically, when you do a non-invasive treatment, non-invasive ka the biggest advantage is it is going to stay around, like we say, maintenance लगता है. It is going to we start off with a little lighter dose. We are not going to be giving you
Because you also want to judge it, right?
judge it. First session mein, how is the patient or the patient's body
Responding.
reacting to it? How are they responding to it? Is the body taking it well? The pigments that are submitted in the skin, are they doing well? We start with little. Whereas, you know, in plastic surgery, मैंने अगर मेरा rhinoplasty कराया, if I'm not happy with my nose and I get a rhinoplasty, which is a permanent surgery that is done for nose,
That is irreversible.
that is irreversible. How are you going to do? Doctors might say, okay, we can change it, but then you are putting your body through so many things.
Yeah,
it
under
is
the
a risk.
knife.
Yeah. It is a risk. Like
It
it is a permanent procedure.
Right.
These need maintenance time to time, and obviously, like, you know, if you're not liking, if suppose we have done your brows, you're not liking them, you need it more lighter or you need it more darker. So these are some things that we can take care about. You know, with lip pigments also, we are going to be putting light pigments first, and then, you know, increasing the power of the treatment that is necessary.
Right. Okay. So, anything which you want to talk about the laser therapy?
Yeah.
क्योंकि I have heard from people that हमने hair removal treatment करा है. Of course, it is better than waxing and all.
Yeah.
So अगर hair removal treatment करवाया है और वो नहीं सही हो रहा है, नहीं जा रहा है better,
Correct.
तो लोग कहते हैं अरे वो बेकार, हमारा टाइम वेस्ट हो गया, हमारा पैसा वेस्ट हो गया, हमारी एनर्जी वेस्ट हो गई. और कुछ लोगों के लिए वो डेफिनेटली वर्क करता है. तो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस हियर? आई मीन आई वांट टू नो कि वो डॉक्टर टू डॉक्टर डिफर करता है या वो एक ही ट्रीटमेंट है जो हर एक डॉक्टर यूज करते हैं, उसमें भी कुछ प्रोडक्ट और ब्रांड होता है, एंड व्हाई इट वर्क्स ऑन समबडी एल्सेस बॉडी एंड नॉट फॉर द अदर पर्सनस बॉडी.
Correct.
So I want to know about that.
So basically, when we talk about lasers, Anjali, I like to tell you that it differs from doctor to doctors because the machines that are used are different. The power that is used for laser, hair removal, or any kind of laser treatment like a tattoo removal is completely different. You know, it depends on the power of the machine. And
टैटू
talking
पे नहीं लगाते ना शायद? मैंने पढ़ा है ये सब.
टैटू पे भी
ये
laser
मैं
use
आपकी
होता
रिसर्च
है.
करते टाइम में
Yes.
मेरे का ये सवाल मैं पूछने वाली हूँ.
Yes, so tattoo is also lasered, you know.
अच्छा.
When the laser goes inside, I don't want to get into the depth
Yeah,
of
yeah.
क्या है procedure, क्या नहीं. But in short, talking about laser, it depends on various factors. Firstly, किन लोगों की hair growth बहुत ज़्यादा होती है and it is fatter. Okay. So depending on that hair growth of personal individual, the doctor will decide कि कितना time लगेगा. People think कि it is one day job. मैंने एक session कराया तो खत्म. No, you need to do few sessions for it because it's something that you're removing permanently from your body. Like hair growth को कम करने में time लगता है. And the other thing you spoke about कि वैक्सिंग कराते हैं लोग and then they think कि लेज़र कराना चाहिए नहीं कराना चाहिए. Basically, when you go to salon and you get a waxing treatment done, over a period of time, because it is such a harsh treatment, a lot of people experience rashes.
Yes,
There are waxing
definitely.
rashes.
बहुत
Then,
लोगों को
yeah,
होता है, right.
again, a hygiene plays a very
Issues,
big
right,
important
of
role
course.
in taking care of the waxing
Right.
situation. And apart from you know, rashes, there are pigments that are developed in skin. Pigmentation हो जाता है because the hair from the root is pulled out in a very rough or vigorous way, which is not the right thing to do for your skin. Skin should be treated with care. And after a period of time, ये बहुत लोगों को पता नहीं होगा. I would like to tell people about this, that over a course of waxing, your skin is going to start getting loose and you are going to have wrinkles. Over मतलब aging जब होता है, when you start to grow older, जब से aging चालू होता है, plus
Skin
40s
आपकी loose
plus,
पड़ने लगती है जल्दी.
it starts to flap and loose because you have been doing waxing for ages and years, whereas in lasers there's no such harm like that. So definitely go to your doctor. Misconceptions clear, they will definitely help you with lasers and everything.
ओके, जहाँ मैं गड़बड़ बोल दूँ वहीं पे सिर्फ एडिटिंग होगी, नहीं तो कहीं भी कोई एडिटिंग करने की जरूरत नहीं, बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग वेल। बॉस हम ऐसे ही हैं, हम फोन पे भी हैं और सामने भी ऐसे ही हैं, ठीक
That's
है।
true.
और ये आपकी बात नहीं है आज तक, जो भी मेरे साथ शूट किया है पास में वो यही कहते हैं कि यार कितना कैंडिड था, और कैंडिड ही होना चाहिए।
Yeah, actually,
जो चीज एडिट हो गई क्या मजा है।
Yeah, it shouldn't be like ऐसा बहुत made up है,
हाँ, वो
on
मुझे
point
जानता
answers
नहीं, वो
है.
मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं जानता।
But
मुझे
you
ऐसा
have
feel होता
that
है।
aura, so I think everybody is comfortable
Thank you
talking
so
to
much.
you.
Nee, I think you're being kind, but then I always try picking up those people who are I mean, they definitely have that aura and they are little comfortable on the screen as well. I mean, on the camera, और मतलब उनको जमे भी वो ऑरा मेंटेन रखने के लिए। तो मेरा भी वो एक टेक है। आई यूजुअली मतलब यूजुअली डोंट पिक एवरीबडी फॉर द पॉडकास्ट, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यार पता नहीं सामने वाला उतना कंफर्टेबल भी होना चाहिए, लेकिन
I mean, it's a two-way street.
हाँ, it's a two-way
You're
situation.
asking questions, the other one should, reciprocate and answer
बस
back.
ऐसा
It
है।
is so important.
एनीवे मुझे जो सवाल था आपसे वो ये था कि हम सुनते हैं कि प्रेग्नेंट विमेन
Correct.
लेजर्स या फिर माइक्रोब्लेडिंग या ग्लूटा नहीं ले सकते। आप तो बोल रहे हो कि ग्लूटा बहुत सेफ है, तो व्हाई नॉट प्रेग्नेंट विमेन कैन टेक इट?
See, basically, most of the treatments at the clinic are not advised for pregnant women. You should be taking, extra care, and that is the time you should be taking care of yourself and your baby. A lot of these treatments involve side effects which can directly get to the baby, and in pregnant conditions, it can
You
occur
cannot take a
more.
risk.
Yeah,
Right.
because in pregnant conditions your body reacts differently to everything. You are restricted on taking a lot of medications also. Doctors, your gynacs would suggest you these are the medicines you need to take, and that is the path you need to stick to and follow very very from ruthlessly. Like you need to
Right.
follow that path religiously, I would
Correct.
say. And coming to treatments like chemical peels or hydra facials, there are few handles that are used in hydra facials that can be really really hard, like UV lights. जैसे
we can't. Right.
in
They
pregnancy
can be
you have
harmful.
to stay away from the UV lights.
Right.
So those, because of those reasons, pregnant women are told to take little extra precautions and not do treatments in that time.
Right.
After that, when you deliver a baby, after a certain period of time, doctors would suggest you are allowed to do any kind of treatments in
So the
that
feeding
period of
mother
time.
also shouldn't do this?
No, depends on treatment to treatment
Okay.
again.
Alright.
Like we take the medical history, we would be asking you, are you a feeding mother? What kind of, medications are on? All
And
these
what is
things
the
are taken
history?
in
Okay.
consideration.
All right. What is the right age to start all of these treatment? मतलब as a whole,
Correct.
सभी के लिए.
So see Anjali, I'll tell you, there's a no right, fit for this answer. Like, going to see, like I said about lifestyle is changing. पहले के ज़माने में बहुत अलग था, अभी के ज़माने में lifestyle, environment, stress.
Don't tell me you're telling me
Diet.
below 18 also can do it.
I would say after 18, like in your early 20s, when you come to 20s,
हाँ, मतलब
your early
18 साल के
20s,
बच्चे
yeah.
तो स्कूल मतलब
Yes.
कॉलेज जाते
But
हैं.
actually, 18 years also, now if you go to see in schools and colleges, because of social media influence,
नहीं,
everybody
आजकल
is
की
so
तो
aware.
आजकल की तो
Everybody
generation
knows.
ही
You ask a
अलग है,
18-year-old what is a hydra facial,
They know it.
they know it. They'll be able to answer it very well. Oh yeah, like my mom
मतलब you
gets
have
it done.
faced such kind of patients as
I
well.
do have young children and young girls coming to me like, I'm suffering acne. I don't want this on my face. Could we do hydra? And then I have to be like, okay, what is your age? I need to know your age. Like you're
So
too
you
young.
also preferably not do anything below 18 and
No,
Acha,
not
okay.
below 18. I think it is safe time is early 20s. Once
Acha,
you
okay.
come in your early 20s,
Right.
you should be more aware about your body and
Right.
what your body needs. And I think every person starts to get to know about themselves even more better. As a little bit of maturity hits you in early 20s. So I think early 20s is good time to go and consult if you have any kind of difficulties or
Right.
facing any
चलो एक
issues.
और क्वेश्चन
Yes.
कि हम इतनी सारी ट्रीटमेंट्स करा रहे मेंटेन हो रहा और एक सर्टेन पॉइंट पे हमने स्टॉप कर दिया,
Yeah,
बंद हो गया ट्रीटमेंट नहीं करना,
correct. तो
क्या जो पहले की स्थिति थी वैसी ही रहेगी या उससे भी ज़्यादा खराब हो चुकी होगी?
no, when you are doing treatments and at some point you plan, okay, I want to stop it here. Like I said, the result is going to stop from where you started. It's
Right.
not going to go back to zero. That never happens. But what happens is you need to take a lot of aftercare also for it. After every treatment, aftercare is must. You know, there are few aftercares you need to take it. So if you follow that, I think you should be good until the time you decide to come back and, you know, get a maintenance session done within a 3-month span or a 6-month span.
Okay. All right. Any tips you want to give to the audience for the hair and skin?
Yes, absolutely. So hydrate yourself, which
Okay.
is so important. Drink
Right.
lots of water. You know, exercise. Keep yourself healthy. आजकल के 2025 we have hit 2025 and today's generation stress is so much. I saw your last podcast, you know, where you were talking
Yeah,
about
yeah.
depression.
Yeah.
At a very young early age people are knowing about all of these things, so the amount of stress level is also a lot in today's
Correct,
world.
right.
And what happens is such kind of things do affect your, you know, health, hair, skin, everything.
Right.
So keep
So
yourself,
exercise, hydration is very important.
have a good healthy diet,
Right.
involve all greens.
Bilkul.
SPF is must.
Right.
Even when you're in the house, use SPF.
Right.
I'm sitting
Right.
here in front of this lights and
That also
everything.
creates a problem,
That creates
right.
a problem. I'm using my SPF. So SPF is your
Very
best
important.
friend. For men, women, everybody.
Okay.
And try to meditate, try to you know, do yoga or some kind of exercise, you know,
हाँ जी.
de-stress yourself.
Right.
That would help a lot.
तो सनस्क्रीन आजकल बहुत ज़रूरी है या नहीं ज़रूरी
Absolutely.
है?
It is very important.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Yes.
मैंने तो सुना है स्किन कैंसर होता है.
नहीं, that is
गलत सुना है
wrong.
आपने.
That
नहीं
is a
लगाया
myth.
तब हो सकता है
Yes,
शायद.
because the sun rays are so harsh now with global warming and everything changing, weather's changing.
Right.
The sun rays are direct to your skin. That can cause skin cancer, you know.
Right.
That is that. But SPF is very important.
ओके आशा आई थिंक इट वाज वेरी इन्फॉर्मेटिव और एक रैपिड फायर करेंगे हम.
Absolutely.
ठीक है. आई हैव 5 सेट ऑफ थिंग्स व्हिच आई विल आस्क यू.
Okay.
इट वुड बी वन लाइनर्स एंड यू हैव टू
Okay.
आंसर इन वन वर्ड एंड वन लाइनर.
Sure.
ओके. तो फर्स्ट वन गोज एज योर फेवरेट मूवी.
I think it would be Aisha. You know,
Okay.
it is a very fashion, bubbly movie. Sonam Kapoor.
हाँ,
Yeah,
हाँ.
that was my
She is
favorite
a
movie
fashion
growing up.
statement.
Yeah, so that
Right.
was the movie.
Okay, so your favorite travel destination.
I think it would be New York for sure. I
Okay.
have been there
Yeah,
and I
you've
want to
been
go
there.
there again and again.
Yeah, so cuisine you prefer?
I like घर का Indian, you know,
दाल
desi
चावल
खाना या दाल
सब
चावल. I
मुझे
love
लगता
it.
है
It's comfort food for
90%
me.
of Indians say
Yes,
this.
I love it.
After certain
Yeah.
age they prefer दाल खिचड़ी and दाल चावल.
You
prefer
go
rather than anything.
anywhere in the world, हफ्ते में एक बार तो you need
चाहिए.
to have दाल चावल.
बिल्कुल.
Yes.
So color which resonates you?
I think it would be black.
Yeah.
You know,
But people say black is not the color and white is not the color.
no, I think black
Black
is
is
the
your
color.
same.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
I feel close to it. It resembles me.
Right. So an actress according to you who is blessed with good skin and hair.
Okay, so I have actually 3 answers for this. If I
Okay.
would go to say, good hair would be Disha Patni for sure. She has lovely hair. Good skin would be Shraddha Kapoor. She's completely natural and she has amazing skin. And an actress who has both of this, I think that would be Tara Sutaria for
Okay.
sure. She
Yeah,
has
she is
great
good
hair
too.
and skin going hand in hand.
Right.
So that's that.
क्या बात है, मज़ा आ गया. आई मीन
Yes.
मेरे को बहुत सारे सवाल थे एंड आई थिंक यू हैव आंसर्ड एवरीथिंग. आई हैड लॉट ऑफ डाउट्स जिसको आपने बहुत अच्छे से क्लियर किया है. एंड आई फील इट वाज अ वंडरफुल कॉन्वर्सेशन. थैंक यू सो मच
It's
आस्था फॉर बीइंग
always
हियर.
is a wonderful time with you and having a
थैंक यू.
conversation.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Thank you so much for
Thank you
having
आस्था.
me.
Thank you for being here.